In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Vive financial account number. If you've ever needed it for payments, setting up autopay, or verifying your account with support, this guide will walk you through the simplest ways to locate it securely and confidently. Let's start with the most direct place, your card. Take a look at the front and the back of your Vive card and its original mailer if you still have it. The account number may appear near your name or in a section labeled account or reference number. Be careful not to confuse it with the security code or the expiration date. If you only see a partially masked number, that's normal. You'll likely need to use your online account, app, or statements to view more details. Next, sign in to your Vive account online. Use the official website and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, look for pages labeled Account, Profile, Card Details, or Statements. Many issuers display the account number or a masked version there, and some will show the full number after additional verification. Make sure you're on a secure connection and avoid public Wi-Fi when viewing sensitive information. If you can't find it immediately, try checking the Statements section, then open a recent statement and scan the top portion of the first page. If you prefer using your phone, the Vive Financial mobile app is a convenient option. After signing in, navigate to Account or Card Details. You may see the account number or the last few digits, with an option to reveal the full number once you verify your identity in the app. Keeping the app updated, enabling device security features like biometrics, and logging out when finished are good habits for protecting your information. Your monthly statements, paper or electronic, are another reliable source. Open your most recent statement and look at the header or summary area. Many statements list the account number there. If you receive e-statements, access them through your secure account rather than through direct email links. When you find it, store it safely and avoid sharing it over unsecured channels. If you still can't locate the number, reach out to Vive Financial support through the official website or app. Be ready to verify your identity and ask where in your account you can view the number. For security reasons, they may guide you to it rather than read it aloud. Afterward, log in to confirm and save it in a secure place. That's it. Check your card, your online account, the mobile app, your statements, and if needed, contact support. Keep your details private, and you'll have your account number ready whenever you need it.